Are you a content creator and you're always running out of ideas based on your niche, or you don't just know what to post next? Well, no need to worry anymore, as in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually use Chatgpt to actually optimize your content creation. So make sure to stay tuned. So yeah guys, the first thing you want to do is to come to chat.openai.com, as you can see on my screen. So now, as a content creator, depending on your niche, if it's going to be comedy, if it's going to be music covers or whatever content you create, you want to ask ChatGPT based on this niche. So for today's video, I'm just going to be using probably comedy for an example. So all you want to do is to ask ChatGPT, give me content ideas for a very funny video based on me going to the market. Guys, it's just unlimited. Whatever thought you have in your mind, you can just ask ChatGPT. It's that powerful. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter, and then it's providing me with something I can just use, guys. So as you can see, title, market mayhem, a hilarious shopping adventure. So now what you want to do is to convert the script into acting. Okay, you're gonna do it basically, it's content, so it's either you act it or you use it in an animation or something, whatever your content is always like. So now you want to use this script to enhance your content. So the same thing applies to whatever niche you're in. If it's gonna be music, if it's gonna be entertainment, whatever, you just want to ask ChatGPT, help me out on my next content based on finance to educate my fans. So guys, as you can see, ChatGPT basically provides every single thing. It's that powerful and that simple. Just go to the site chat.openai.com to get started. If you don't have an account, you want to register, either you're going to add your Google account or your Facebook account, whatever account you want to use, and then you're in and you just want to ask ChatGPT to provide you with this particular content idea you need. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Also drop a like on today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video.